Here we will discuss how to measure the size and how to wear the Cast Shoe Rocker Sole. The Cast Shoe Rocker Sole is available in these sizes. Measure shoe size. Now let us see how to wear the Cast Shoe Rocker Sole. Unfasten the front hook loop closure flap. Gently place the plastered foot in the cast shoe. Fix the front closure tab on the loop on the other flap. Fasten the ankle strap by a reverse buckle mechanism around the leg to a comfortable tightness. Now let us see how to remove the cast shoe. Unfasten the ankle strap to loosen it and gently remove the plastered foot. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more information, log on to www.tynorindia.com.